How to enable two-factor authentication in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device. From your dashboard, tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down to the security section where you will see the security type option. Tap on it to proceed. This will open the two-step verification page where your email will be selected by default. If you want to change it, tap on change. Here you can select a new verification method. You can choose phone number which will send the verification code via SMS each time you log in or perform sensitive actions. You can choose authentication app such as Google Authenticator which generates a time-based code for secure logins. You can also choose push notification which sends a confirmation request directly to your device for easy approval. Follow the on-screen instructions for the method you selected to complete the setup. Once enabled, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, protecting your login and trading activities. Now you know how to enable two-factor authentication in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.